Yuvika, you've spoken about the journey of motherhood and how that's such a paradigm shift in the life of a woman. Another shift in the life of a woman that we don't talk about and we really, really need to is, the perimenopause and menopause. How many of you are aware of perimenopause and menopause? I'm assuming most of you. Most of you are, yeah. And, but this is something that, it's considered a bit of a buzzkill as a topic, We think that it's about aging and it's so boring and it's this and that, but it's really not, like first of all, perimenopause is happening at a younger and younger age because, people are menstruating also at a younger age. But, these conversations need to, shift and acquire a tone of empowerment rather than ki budhapa aa gaya type of thing, which is not true at all, So Yuvika, how do you use your platforms to really give this, a refreshing, positive turn to these extremely critical conversations?
Well, exactly not the kind of dinner table conversations we would have at home. But what if we can turn them into trendy conversations or cool? What if we make them look cool? And how do we do that? As a digital creator, I feel I'm really happy to be living in this modern world where we have the power to change the narrative around any topic by how we approach it, by changing our thoughts around it. So I try to first accept that it's an inevitable part of a woman's life cycle, and there's no escaping it. So I try to stay authentic, true to myself, and share my own journey through my videos, which I try to make more relatable, and I take a funny. I always have a funny take on those videos because that's just my way of communication on my page. However, as a digital creator, one has the power to choose their own unique style as long as the message that you're creating is empowering, meaningful, responsible, and it has your audience feel supported, heard. I think you've done your job as a digital creator. So more and more conversations, more and more content around this if it starts rolling on Instagram, and thanks to social media, it is rolling. We are more educated, we are more aware now than we were around 5 years back or 10 years back, thanks to social media, the creator community and platforms like you.
Women aging becomes a cool thing. I mean, why not? I mean, it is cool to gain that experience and that wisdom and be more yourself. So it is a pretty cool thing, and you're also,
It is cool. I mean, we have to accept the fact, we have to celebrate the fact that hopefully we are getting more wise. I mean, I hope. We're trying to sound really wise, but I feel the more we accept ourselves and the more we accept that this is a part of our lives, there is no beating around the bush. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ये होना ही है. We will be more confident, more aware, and more graceful in accepting it.
Absolutely.